Everyone, this is Aria from Zolytech Machinery China. Very happy to see you again in my live stream. Today, I would like to introduce you our single needle quilting machine. It's this mode. The full name of this mode is automatic computerized single needle quilting machine, because this machine can automatically fill fittings and output continuous output the mattress pillows. Okay, for this machine, the mode is the Z1. It is used to make the mattress pillows, and you can make the mattress headband. That means it's okay to quilt the PVC thin material. Also okay, because for this machine we adopt the mumwood sewing head or use the dual-curve sewing head. That means the quality is good. It's the famous sewing head in the industry. Okay. Let us continue to introduce this machine. It consists of two parts. The first part is the quilting part, and the second part is the cutting part. The dimensions of the whole machine is, the length is 12 meters and the width is 3.8 meters. The width is 3.8 meters and the height is 1.6 meters. Let us see the single needle quilting machine. See? For this mode, we equipped with the mumwood sewing head. But you have another options. You can adopt dual-curve sewing head. The sewing head. Dual-curve sewing head also very famous in our industry. It is our newest sewing head in the industry. The maximum of the quilting thickness is the 18 millimeters, and the max working speed can up to 3,000 RPMs. Okay, let me open the machine and see. For this one, and here we equipped with the thread detectors. When the thread is broken, the red lights on. And here used to loss or tightening the thread. And here is the presser foot. The presser foot can be adjusted according to the material thickness. So it's very convenient, not manual adjust the thickness manually. is automatically to adjust. When I press the green button, see the bobbin spores will come out. They have the bobbin insides and with the sources. Because this machine supports the automatically cut that. So the machine can support. See, here is the sources. Here's the small sources. So the machine can support to make the jump size pattern. And see, this one is the bobbin. The diameter of this bobbin is 3.2 centimeters. It is the enlarged imported bobbin. One bobbin can support to make the jump size 2 to 3 pieces per bobbin, and it can support to make continuous patterns about 5 pieces pillows one times. So it is the large size to the typical bobbin. See, it's very easy to take it out and replace the new one. So there is convenience for the operator to replace the bobbin. It can improve the workers' work efficiencies also. And this one is used to adjust the needle's height. Usually, before shipping out the machine, our engineer will adjust the needle's height. Make sure the sewing heads can work perfectly. And see here is the upper flat. The upper flat through the thread guide and to here, and come out from the thread detector. Now let me show you how is the sewing head working. Oh, because this machine is still on testing, so we have to replace another machine to show how the machine is working. 哎，好似翳數啊，真係用你學。Okay, so guys, follow me. Let me change another machine to show you how the machine working. So I press the red buttons and give the power to the whole machine. See, for this machine, we adopt Windows system because it's the popular office software in the world. So most of the people will know how to fix it, how to repair it, and it's also easy for the operator to running the machine. And let's focus on the language. Now it's in Chinese version. It's Chinese version. When we press click here, you can change the language by yourself. We have the Chinese, English. Number 2, input number 2 is English. Now it changed to English version. So you can have the Turkey, type, Spain, Poland, browser, France, Arabic. They have 9 languages for you to choose. And here, if record the output. Now it has output 15 hellos. Here in the output, and right click here, you can choose the different patterns. They have over 200 patterns saved in the computer. And see here, this one is our customer made designs. It is the customer's company name's capital, and here is the patterns to request to make. Can support the continuous jump speed patterns as well as the continuous pattern. See here, this is the Chinese words. That means if you want to mark your name, storing your names in the mattress panel. That is okay. Just give us what patterns you like and what is the size you request. Our designers will help you to draw the patterns you request. So the patterns is no limits. It's no limits in the computer. But according to the markets, we have already saved over 200 patterns in the computer. It's convenient for the operator to choose the good pattern, choose what you like. It's a favorite pattern. Sometimes in China's market, we will give it a brand, so that looks very perfect and with the Chinese designs, with the Chinese market's designs. Every pattern have its number. For example, if I want this pattern A0 pattern, you can press here to input this number to find it out. Press here, inputs the pattern's number. You can find out your favorite pattern in the very short time. Here it shows what is the machine speed now and the size of the mattress panel. Size of the mattress panel, and here is the speed. Right here. You can control the working speed. Make it be fast. This machine we adopt the marble Zolytech. So the max working speed can up to 3,500 RPM. The working speed is related to the output and the working efficiency. Here you can drop the pattern. You can drop the pattern as you want. is the stitch length. And here show the windows type. And this function is used to draw the patterns. Here you can add the frames on the mattress panel. One frame, two frame, three frame, and and here choose foot. Sewing the pattern at the one page, and then sewing the frame. Okay, let me show you how the sewing head working. This one is the mom sewing head. The same function for sewing head. The first one is staples and drawer. The German smart is the blue market is very frequent. Heads in the computer. 看一下。See, here is the sewing head. When the sewing head moves, you can check the heads by the computer also. Okay, when I want to stop the machine, press the green button again, Okay, my live show is almost here. If you are interested with this machine, be free to leave your comments. Leave your comments, I will contact you. Okay, next turn is my workmate, Mr. Joe. See you next time.
我们到有色机那边去吧，刚好我有个客户，他想要有色机。到那边。到这儿吧。Hello everyone. This is Joe Cui from Zolytech Machinery Company Limited. Now is my time for live streaming for our quilt production. Just now, one Pakistan customer asked me that how about our quilting machine for make quilts. So for the purpose of introduce more details about the information about quilt production, I make this live streaming for his questions. Okay, hold on, please. Okay, now you are in the area for our assembly workshop for our quilting production line. Quilting production line divided into many machines. Firstly, computerized knock stitch molded quilting machine. Then second is panel cutting machine, and then edge taping machine for the size, and then packing machine. But for my company, we are professional for quilting machine and panel cutting machine. So now in this area, you can see that there are many quilting machine queuing here. Okay. Now let's follow our cameras. You can see that they are under testing. And you can see here, this machine is under testing. This is the most advanced model. To show you more details, you can see that at the moment, our engineer is testing these patterns. You can see. And this is abstract, okay? Abstract cones. Mostly we use number 40S2, okay? This thread. And the bottom thread is bobbin, okay? Bobbin here, this is a bobbin holder like this. For quilts, mostly use number 10 shuttles more popular. And we know that many customers request patterns for different patterns for different customers. As you see that mostly most popular patterns on the market is squares. Okay, squares. Different customer have different requirements. Anyway, this square is most popular. Anyway, for some cushions, use different patterns. This is the 4-inch patterns. This is another 4-inch patterns. Is for making cushions. For example, for the high quality car cushions. And here you can see we see this pattern square. Last time for one Indian customer, we have already made this pattern for them to make sample, and they are very satisfied with this pattern. And anyway, for some other beddings, bed covers, some customers say, if your machine can make any other patterns, I can see that yes. In our computer system, already about 500 patterns already stock in our computer system. As you see that this machine we say is computerized lock stitch monitor coding machine. Computerized means that this machine is controlled by computer system. This computer system is Windows system. Windows system is most popular around the world. So when you operate the machine, it's quite easy for you. Okay. Just now I see that in our computer system there are already 500 patterns already inside the system. I show you some samples to you. Okay. You can see that these patterns are already we make. You can also search on YouTube. Okay, YouTube for more details. Last time we have sent 4 machines already to Italy and for Vietnam and many famous for quilt production or jacket production factories, countries. Okay, you can see that these patterns. You can see it's very good effects, very good effects. You can see the stitches. Okay, and these patterns. And these patterns is with some embroidery quilting effects, okay? And also these patterns is with some quilting effects. And this one is also very beautiful. It's like square, like diamond, but it's with some other patterns. It's very nice quilting effects. And you can see this one. And also this one. And I will show you more, okay? You can see here, and here. This is here. And here. So, there are about 400 quilting patterns already in our computer system. It means that for these patterns, regular patterns on the market already stocked in our computer system. So you can click the button and select. Then you can arrange the needle and make the patterns according to your need. Okay, it's very convenient. Very convenient. Anyway, if you want new patterns, what to do? Just use our methods to draw in the quilting system. Use CAD system. It's very easy for operation to master the skills to for make the new patterns. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that for the structure on this machine, here is the servo driving system. Okay, this is Y servo motor. Okay, the servo driver is inside the computer system. This is the X shaft motor. Okay. Now I will show you more details here. Then you can see from the head, from the front, okay? Go这儿来吧。那边，那边。走那边。So now you can see that the computer screen. This machine is under adjusting because nowadays, that as the development for the machine, that we will improve our compute system. As you see that during past 15 years, our company have developed very fast. From very beginning, just no more than 10 customers. Up to now, we have more than 115 employees. Okay, so it's very fast developing. What's the reason? Because in past years we have developing very fast. Because every year we adapt new technology into our computer system and mechanical parts. Okay. So now this machine is a new system under testing. Okay. Here is for new pattern selecting. Here for pattern selection. Okay, if inside this system there are 500 patterns already inside the system, I told you. But if you want new patterns, 不能全顾啊。不能，因为它这个。往后一点。那我发现每次播的时候，有时候看不到全貌。And here is for drawing new patterns. This is new version. This is the first time even for me, because nowadays we were trying different patterns. Okay, different systems. This is first time I see. And here you can see what's it mean. It means that the working speed. For this machine, the max speed is 800 RPM. 800 RPM. What is mean? On the market, the popular machine only working speed about no more than 500 RPM. That is to say, our machine is almost double output production than other machines. Okay. And here you can see that the mechanical parts. This is our fabric. We are under testing, and you can see that it will be disaster for my company and for our customers. So we will never make this happen. Okay. Hello, welcome Mr. Nizar and Krish and Mr. Orlando and Mr. Ahmed visit our live streaming. Here, at the moment, you can see that we are testing our quilt production line. Okay. Now let's go for another machine. Just now I see that this is one quilting machine for quilt production. As a matter of fact, we have other machines. Is for mattress production line. Mattress production line divide into chain stitch mounted quilting machine, and then panel cutting machine, and then flange machine, edge taping machine, and border making machine, etc., and so on. Okay. Now we turn our cameras, and you can see that our another machine, computerized chain stitch mounted quilting machine, is under working. Chain stitch mounted quilting machine 微稍微远一点，不然的话好像在震动呢，镜头。这好像震。What means chain stitch multi-core machine? In some countries, some customers say it is low power quality machine. Okay, low power quality machine. So you can see that each time before delivery, we will make the machine testing for 24 hours before delivery. Okay? You can see that this is the computer screen. And when you change the patterns and drawing new patterns, it's all according to your need. Okay? So let's change our camera. You can see how many machines are under are in our working shop. Okay? 转个角度，就在这儿。
想钻进去吗？
啊，不用弄，就在这儿。So，然后等一会儿慢慢晃我，边晃你边晃我边解说。Okay, you can see that over there, the chain stitch multi-quality machine. You can see about 30 chain stitch quality machine are under production and is under assembly. Okay, and over there you can see that just my colleague already introduced you about the single needle quality machine. Single needle quality machine under testing. So I said that my company is professional, one of the leading company for mattress production line and quilt production line. You can see that about 150 employees in my company. This is one of the biggest quilting production for modular quilting machine in my industry. Okay? Huh? 只有一个在开吗？
不是瞄两眼就走的了。
这个怎么是空白的？
那个是没有那个邮不来的，邮不账号，邮不，这个是要结的。
差不多结束算了吧，时间也到了啊。Okay, I have to say goodbye at the moment. We have already is about 1 hour for our live streaming today. I have to say goodbye and thank you for your watching our live streaming. This is Zhou Cui from Zolytech Machinery Company Limited. Thank you for watching our live streaming. And if you want to know more details about our machines, please visit our YouTube or our Facebook, Zhou Cui, and or Zolytech. Then you can get more details. Or you can also contact us by WhatsApp and visit our website, Zolytech Machinery. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.